Hey guys, welcome back to Mad Moose Barbecue. I'm Zach, and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect beer can chicken. Check it out. All right guys, so we're only going to need a few things to make our beer can chicken successful today. We've got some extra virgin olive oil, a can of America's beer, a good barbecue rub, and a young chicken. Now I also have this beer can chicken holder thing. You don't actually need it, but I found it on Amazon for like $6, and it just helps balance the chicken when you stand it. But you can use it with just the beer can. It just kind of takes a little bit of wiggling around to get it right. Like I said, use any beer you want, except Bud Light. Don't use Bud Light. If you drink Bud Light, well, you've already made some terrible life decisions. So I'm gonna forgive you right now, but just use a different beer, okay? We don't need that kind of negativity in our chicken. All right, so the first thing you gotta do is take your beer and open it. Now, you don't wanna use an entire can of beer because it's gonna be cooking at 275 degrees, so it'll boil and it'll boil over. It's gonna make a mess. So the first thing you gotta do is drink about half your beer. All right, we're good. That was a little warm. It's been sitting out, but you don't want cold beer either, because then it's gonna slow down the cooking process, but that was fine. We'll be all right. Okay, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open up our chicken. This is a whole chicken, a fresh and natural, whole young chicken. I don't know what the difference is between young and old chicken, but I don't know. This is what they had. And I think this was about 6 pounds. It came in a 2-pack, so it's not on that packaging right there, but oh, it's a little bit frozen inside. Was not expecting that, but we'll work around it. No worries. All right. The only thing that's really going to change is the fact that it might take a little bit longer to cook. All right. I don't think there's any giblets in this chicken. Doesn't look like it, but always check the cavity of the chicken just to make sure that they don't have the little bag with like the heart and liver and stuff in there. You don't want to cook that. That would be bad. So I'm not seeing or feeling anything. So, all right. Only thing we're gonna do to this chicken is throw some extra virgin olive oil on it. I'm gonna take off one glove. Hopefully we can make this happen. I don't know. I didn't think this all the way through. I should have brought more gloves. All right, we're just gonna hit it with some extra virgin olive oil. Doesn't have to be extra virgin olive oil. Use whatever you have laying around. Main reason we're doing this is just help the skin crisp up a little bit and help our rubs stick to it. Now you'll see on your chicken, get that a little closer, there's like this weird fat skin chunk hanging outside around the cavity. I'm gonna cut that off. It's gonna burn anyways. So I'm just gonna get rid of that. That's the only trimming that we're gonna do. So, all right. Now, seasoning a chicken is kind of a pain in the butt. It's hard to get it perfect because moving it around so much, but we're gonna season the entire chicken. Make sure you get plenty of seasoning. We don't wanna see any skin. We just wanna see seasoning everywhere we look. Today we are gonna be using some of our Mad Moose barbecue rub. It is available online, but use whatever rub you have. Whatever rub you like to use. It's your chicken. I like this rub. So we'll get it all over the place, get it behind the wings, get the legs, the thighs, cover it up good. Make it look pretty. That's the reason I really like this rub, besides the taste and the fact that it has no sugar, It also gives whatever you're cooking a really nice color. It's got a lot of paprika, chili powder, so not only does it taste great, but it looks good, which is important for Instagram. All right, cool, we got that done. Now, I don't think I have another glove, so we're just gonna do it. You need 2 hands to do this, so we're just gonna make it work. All right, what you're gonna do, take your chicken, flip it like that, kind of rip open the cavity with your hands, and just, well, smash it on there. Sometimes it is not the easiest thing to accomplish, but yep, that's stubborn chicken. Come on. I think that's gonna be okay. We're gonna say that's okay. As long as it fits inside your smoker, call it good. I think it's part of the problem right now is that the inside is still a little bit frozen. I didn't realize that the chickens were frozen when I bought it, but I think that's gonna fit. We've got the smoker set to 275 degrees, which is the sweet spot in my opinion. I've also got some ribs cooking right now, so we're just gonna ignore those. But we're gonna cook these on there. It's probably gonna take hour and a half, 2 hours. I don't know. It's partially frozen, so who knows at this point. We're just gonna throw it on. We're cooking to internal temperature anyways. We never cook by time. You always wanna check and make sure that your meat is where you want it. So for chicken, we're gonna be checking the breasts. We want those at 165. Our thighs are gonna be a little bit higher, but that's okay. So follow me over to the smoker, we'll get it thrown on, and then we will check back in, I'll say an hour and a half, and we'll look at the temperature. So let's go. All right, we got our chicken. Please fit, please fit. Yes, just barely, but it's gonna work. Okay, got our chicken on, 275 degrees. Close it up, we'll check back in an hour and a half. All right guys, our chicken has come off the smoker. The breast was about 170 when I pulled it. It took a lot longer than I expected. I think it took like 4 hours, but remember it was partially frozen, so I think that had something to do with it. Yeah, but it looks good now. Look at the juices falling out of there. Oh, there it is. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what that is. Don't drink the beer. All right, it's not good anymore. All right, there you have it. That is a beautiful chicken. I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up right now. We're gonna cut into it. You're gonna see how juicy, ridiculously juicy this is. I mean, it's juices everywhere. So the skin looks great. That rub makes it have a real nice color. It smells fantastic. I can't wait to cut into this. All right guys, last thing that we have to do is taste test it. So I've got this little piece I cut off the breast. The skin is crispy. That meat, so tender and juicy. Perfect cooked beer can chicken, guys. All right, hey, if you like what we did today, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Mad Moose BBQ. Also, if you want to try any of our products, they're available online at www.madmoosebbq.com. Join us next time. We got some great videos coming out. Thanks for watching.